Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and today's video I'm going to show you on how to make your number private for outgoing calls on Itel. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following into this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. All right, so the very first thing you need to do is to head over to your phone die pad. So make sure you simply click on here, your phone call. So click on that and it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on the setting icon from the top right here. So simply click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to SIM card settings. So click on that. Then it's open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to carrier features. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you select the SIM that you want to use for make private call. So for me, I'm going to select this same one right here. And having selected the same, next thing you need to do is to click on additional settings. So click on that. Then it open up like so. Then you just need to wait for some minutes and it has been opened. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on caller ID. So click on caller ID display in outgoing call, and this is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on hide number. And in a few seconds, the number is going to be hidden. And each time you are making call with this particular SIM card, it's going to show private number on outgoing call. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to make your number private for outgoing calls on Itel phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.